on, take.
Are you being called upon? You will say you're explorer, whatever, and then respond. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Hi, my name is Alyssa Mancias, and I am a junior in high school. For now, I'm like just leaning toward like police work, just step one. Like it's awesome for me.
So all these tasks complete?
Knock them out. Let's go.
Start getting them knocked out.
Hi, my name is Makai, and I'm going to be a junior in high school.
When you sit there and you sit back and say, I can't do something, we're gonna show you that you can, okay?
I made a mistake this my sophomore year. With that decision I made, I could have been sent to jail, and a lot of things could have happened to me, but luckily it didn't. You know, I chose to do this to become a better person, a better leader, and a motivator as well, and just to learn things about me.
My name is Officer Benavides. My job is currently attached to the Explorers, but my job is really to kind of change your lives, right? This is my partner. I'll let him introduce himself.
It's Officer Davis. I'm also with APD.
So the Explorer program is important for these young adults and for many reasons.
So we want to thank y'all for coming out, and we have a lot of activities for y'all.
So I would say number one is we put them in an environment where they have to interact with one another. And so what we teach them is, hey, you can actually go through a day without being on your phone and interact with one another.
Line up on me, let's go.
Because those types of skills is what's going to be important whenever you apply for a job or when you want to seek any opportunity. You're going to have to actually communicate with people.
Let's take another lap, go.
Not only do we serve and protect, but we show them what that means by going out there and having that serving mentality. Week one is obviously the most challenging for them.
Anybody want to quit?
No, sir.
Anybody want to quit?
No, sir. I think it was pretty rough because no one really knew each other at that moment. We were just trying to do what we were told, and like we've been working on being a team and not individuals. But at that moment, everyone was individuals because all we knew was ourselves and what we needed to do. But no one was like making sure that each other was in place.
Keep pushing, you got it.
So I come from a military background. Most of my family members are pure military. So I kind of already had myself set and like in my mind that this was coming.
Yes, ma'am.
It was like, okay, I really did get myself into this, and now I gotta, you know, finish through. I worked out a lot, so I really did feel pretty good about it. So I felt great, you know, I felt great.
Go, go, go!
And it really didn't affect me. Now to my other counterparts, I noticed that it was affecting them as well.
What'd y'all stay up last night eating Cheetos and Monsters or what?
I stepped up and tried to help them out the best way I could.
Let's go, come on, let's go. I need my class president up here.
Oh yes, I did become president.
What's rule number 2?
It was hard, but I knew that at that moment I was leading the group and I had to be an example of what to do.
We're gonna head out of here, single file line.
The second row, 2. So, oh, there's 4. Can we take 4 steps?
How long did that last?
Like an hour.
Is there anyone who is not clear?
And then he was like, make a decision, and
Alyssa.
so I didn't make a decision like right then and there because I wasn't sure. And he was like, fired, and I was like, okay. I think that like the initial like make a decision is really important in police work because you don't have a lot of time to think.
Don't tell me, show me.
Anybody that goes through this, even if it was the first day, first 10, 15 minutes, you're gonna learn something about yourself.
Sometimes people just, this isn't for them. Like they probably just decided, I don't want to do this. Like this just isn't for me, and that's okay. I think that's a good personal decision to make.
And if you quit, it's not because you are weak or you're bad. It's just because you realize like, hey, I've been pushed to my limit and I don't think I can go any further. I believe everybody, once they get pushed to their limit, they can go way further than what they believe.
You were told to get water. Remember where your water bottle was at.
This world needs great people right now doing great things. That is you guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Initially when we got there, we had inspection.
We were all standing at attention and we just waited for the officer to come in and look at our stuff.
And that didn't go well.
We failed that inspection. I wasn't surprised about that. So now there were a couple of people out there that had their stuff together. me, I did not have my stuff together. It was mainly just my shoes.
Yes, sir.
See how shiny they are?
Yes, sir.
Look at yours.
Not as shiny, sir. But then once we got to the fire tower,
Let's go, fall out. Let's get some fire results.
me personally, I actually enjoyed the fire tower. I actually loved it. I wish we could do it again.
You all right, Alyssa?
Take them all up the fire tower. It's 9 stories.
Explorer Mancias, Austin Police Department!
Work as a team initially, that's the goal of it.
Put it on your shoulder, don't use your arms.
We did not complete the task, and we had to do it again.
I want all of them down, all of them back up.
Yes, sir.
We ended up doing it 3 times.
Who needs a hose?
You know, carrying up the fire hoses, it was fun. One thing I gotta remember is it's not just about me. I had fun, I enjoyed it, but I gotta remember about my team.
I was like, wow, this hurts, but you just gotta do it. I feel like it was really stressful and like chaotic.
Don't put it on a stack that already is high.
Oh, wait a minute.
Everybody line up against the wall.
Also, I was a leader at that time, and there's a higher responsibility, and it was tough, I feel like.
That right there is who you are. Sloppy. Who wants to be a police officer? You turn in sloppy work? No, sir. You're gonna get fired.
I think it teaches us to always give our best and 100% and do everything neatly and organized and like professionally, because it's really important in everyday life, but also in police work.
Once you complete this academy, it will probably be the most difficult task that you've ever done in your life,
You got this, keep pushing, keep pushing. Let's go.
up until this date. So with that mindset going in there, we give them a lot of challenges on the first week.
Guys, this is day 3.
We do not give them the keys to complete it successfully. We try and let them slowly figure out the process of how to accomplish that. And the only correct way to do it is with teamwork.
We weren't like doing it together. We were just doing it individually, carrying each weight on our own.
By the end of today, we will not have any individuals.
How do you get this done as a team?
Do it together, sir.
And the way we figured it out to get everything up was to create a assembly line.
Hey, what'd you say? Come here.
That we could do an assembly line, sir, and we can even ourselves out through the stairs.
That sounds like a leader right here.
Also taught us as well that, you know, hey, even though we are class president and vice president, we also need to talk to everybody else in the group.
Spread out evenly throughout the stairwell. Let's go.
Because we are a team. So if we can't think of anything, we also need to discuss with somebody else to see if they got some ideas.
It was easier to know that like you just have to carry it this far, so then the next person and the next person will take it from you. It's like carrying it's like having a weight and being able to like shift it over, and then like just that communication and teamwork, it really helped.
We can make it.
At the end of it, they all seemed very accomplished once they all got to the top. It's a sense of pride to them that they've accomplished something. You know, we're always going to be there for our brothers or sisters, and so that's what we expect them to do.
Are y'all ready to do this 3 more times?
Yes, sir.
Why'd y'all hesitate?
The fire tire actually kicked my butt. I may not have shown it, but like in my head, I was like, wow, you know, I need to stop second guessing myself. I need to be more of a leader, a motivator.
And y'all showed you have pride right now, right? We have pride in our work.
I think it's gone really good, and that this isn't a game. Like, this is the real world, and we need to be prepared for it. And I have learned so much in this past week and grown a lot.
You can delegate your duties.
In total, week 1 went great. Everybody, I think, is finally getting comfortable with each other and just having fun with each other and just talking. We laugh more. We're joking around, and yeah, we have fun. We make mistakes, and we learn from it.
No one signed this one yet because I don't have a pen.
Okay, you know what? I'm moving as quick as humanly possible.
Are you?
Yes, because I'm trying to find people.
So are you looking forward to next week?
Most definitely. I'm excited for next week.
I feel like it'll be a lot easier, easier. Now these people are like my close friends, and it's super awesome. We're pushing through together, feeling pain together. You create a bond, and it's really awesome.
Left 9, fall out! Yes, sir.
keys out the window. You're in now.